Okay, I usually hide behind here, but I don't think it's big enough for me to hide under here, behind here. But today we have an Ant Man and Wasp Lego set, and watched Ant Man and Wasp like 2 months ago on Netflix, and so it's 200 pieces. And what is the name? Quantum Realm Explorers or something. Here's a ship with Ant Man and the time traveler thing, and then there's Wasp right here, and it goes down here somewhere. And don't want to give any spoilers away, so I don't want to say what's happening right now. So yeah, on the back it looks like it opens right here. It looks like you can shoot out stuff right here. You can pull the gun or something back there, and it has 2 Ant Man and Wasp here. So let's get to opening this right now. By the way, that intro is very awkward, but I'm gonna open this, and with actually these clawers. Don't use these, by the way. And I'll see you, because it's gonna take a while, like always. So see you in about, I don't know. See. Bye. See you in a minute. Have it open, so let me just dump the bag out. Should I dump it or throw it? That worked out better than I expected. Let's just, like always, throw this over here. So we have instructions, like always. We have bag 1. Bag 1. We have stickers. Always come in handy. And we also have bag 2. Sorry, I did over exaggerated. So let's just get to building this. I have my little clawing machine from Hall of Armor. And let's get to building. See you in 30 seconds. Alright, so hold on, let me move these extra pieces out of the way. Okay, so we have Ant Man / Scott Lang. He has this like sonar gun thing. And also he has a cool suit. He has a happy face. And then like worry face. I don't know how to say it. His helmet looks cool. Like the Ant Man mask. And this is the time machine thing, I'm guessing. And there's like these clawy things. There's like these remote controls right here. And it's pretty cool in general. I'll show this off to you guys, like right here. So we're gonna move on to bag 2, which I believe has Ava / Ghost and Wasp. So let's get right to that. See you guys in another 30 seconds. Alright, so I'm done. That was only 200 pieces, but it felt like forever just because there's so many little things to it. So basically, we have this opening and closing thing. We have like these cool wings, not wings, but on the front right there. And I also forgot to say, Scott Lang, or whatever, has that trophy. It says #1 grandma on it or whatever. And then it has the old suit. I might have just spoiled a lot of things, but I don't care. It's on Netflix if you guys want to watch it. I'm not sponsored. And then there's a Stoller thing. And then we have Wasp or Hope Divine or whatever. And we have a smiley face or like I got this face. And then we have a mad face. Then we have Ghost / Ava with Mysterio powers. Boom, and then boom, yeah, like that. And then she has her ghost face and then her Ava face. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's just go showcase this off. And I'm gonna go edit this and yeah. See you guys next week. I have 2 more Lego sets that I have so far right now. So let's see you guys next week. Bye. Like, subscribe, and comment random stuff. And I'm not sponsored. You're stupid idiot. That meant to be left in. Bye.